It's interesting when you look at the evolution of telematics in the insurance industry. Initially, devices were very expensive, and as a result of that, insurers were essentially trying to stretch that cost over as many people as possible. Now with mobile telematics, number one, you have the ability to measure the driver, and number two, it's a much cheaper cost to implement and scale. And as a result of that, continuous engagement programs have proliferated in the marketplace, and they are absolutely the majority of programs and the highest rated programs that are in the market today. Using telematics for current policyholders is as strategically valuable as early use of using telematics for segmentation. The market has changed substantially where the costs to run a telematics program are substantially cheaper than they were in pre-smartphone era. You're going to get the ability to update driving data over time so you can better match rate to risk as that driving behavior changes. As people get new vehicles and their patterns change, you want to have the ability to measure that and provide feedback to drivers and the ability to fundamentally change those incentives over time. Things like what they're paying for insurance or reward programs that continually remind drivers to not be distracted. And ultimately, the outcome of this is giving that driver feedback and incentives so that they improve themselves. Insurers are now providing more tools and techniques to improve customer satisfaction that go just beyond pricing. And certainly, we've seen a major increase in insurers using crash detection as a key selling feature to consumers. The initial use case in mobile telematics relied on a small sensor that goes inside of the vehicle that coordinates with a mobile phone. But crash detection is absolutely happening on a mobile phone by itself today. It is certainly one of the most important changes that has happened in mobile telematics is the ability to identify a crash without any hardware needed and provide emergency services to drivers when they need that on the side of the road.